In this video, I will explain how to obtain perfect colors quickly and in any light condition, even if you are not an expert in color correction. How long do you take to color correct your photos? How can you get your colors to be more accurate? When colors seem complex, I think I can definitely help you. Hi, I'm Marianna Santoni from Italy. Have been involved in photography for over 20 years. I'm also a consultant on digital imaging and I work directly at international level with many of the major brands in this field. Today we are going to be together for around 6 minutes. By the end of this short video you will have learned which tools and adjustments you should use to correct colors quickly and easily, even in the most critical situations. Which is the right workflow for getting more personal and creative colors. Every photographer takes very good care to get the correct white balance, but even after years of experience, it isn't always easy to get the perfect colors. What are the most common problems that a photographer has to face? First of all, time. Color correction takes a long time. Lack of satisfaction. Often we can't get faithful colors, nor the creative color we would like. Discrepancy. Situations and different light sources make the photos of the same photo shoot very different from each other. Inconsistency. It is very difficult to obtain similar colors between images shot with different equipment. Dominance. Some light sources have color casts that are very hard to correct. For example, I think to street lamps or theater lights, and also polarizing filters. Imprecision. It is very difficult to faithfully reproduce the colors of a product or a work of art. In other words, there is not a single photographer in the world who has not had problems with color. Yet, you thought you were following a correct workflow. You shoot raw, you use a gray card whenever possible, you feel comfortable talking about white balance, you have invested in good equipment, so you rightly wonder, what's wrong? The colors of a raw file are the result of two main factors: the color temperature of the light source illuminating the scene, the specific characteristics of the camera sensor we are using. There are different ways to adjust our white balance. When shooting raw, we can use a neutral target. In post-production, we can use the white balance selector, Kelvin values, or a numerical reading of colors. However, the white balance only corrects the dominant color of the light source. The specific representation of colors that each camera gives will vary, so it is best corrected using ColorChecker. It is a complete tool that allows you to manage color at its best right from the initial capture. It is small, inexpensive, and easy to use. What you see here is a ColorChecker Passport 2 by x-rite. It allows you to both balance white and to create a specific color profile for your camera in each different situation. This year, the ColorChecker Passport celebrates 10 years. For the occasion, x-rite has launched a second edition, which includes an 18% grey card. Who might use a ColorChecker Passport? Anyone who wishes to obtain accurate colors quickly, from photographers to amateurs, whichever is the genre that comes to mind. Anyone wishing to acquire a working method in order to recreate creative color effects on different photos. You may even use it effectively on black and white photos, where you'll get more nuances. In other words, whichever effect you wish to apply to a photograph, the best thing is always to start from a file with neutral colors. How does a ColorChecker Passport 2 look like? These are the neutral references that you may use for your white balance. This is the classic 24 color patches, which allows you to create the profile of any camera as long as it is shot in a raw format. This is the additional target, which helps you to customize your result if, for example, for creative needs, you want to warm up or cool down a group of photos consistently. This is the 18% grey card that has been added in this new version of the ColorChecker Passport 2, and that will facilitate exposure measurement. The software can be downloaded from the x-rite website, making the ColorChecker brand compatible with Lightroom, Photoshop, Capture One, or many other software. Today, with this new video, we have taken another step together in the world of color management. In our next video, we will examine this topic further. I really hope these insights are helping you to become more aware and to feel more confident in your daily work. Bye bye!